Hello everyone, welcome back again. Guys, may we view this date from the angle of John Laughter, like the part when John Laughter take for this video. Guys, watch the video and please drop your comment on the comment section. I'm just happy for them. Okay, thank you guys and God bless you.
So guys, this is how we came to prepare all these things for Untouchable and Precious. Yeah, we are the master planner of all these things. They came to enjoy their life. So anyway, see, I'm back to support this young family. Anybody with block road, I go fight out.
The laughter they call me young family. God, when?
So, love. So, I'm saying that you're married. Sorry. Love is good. Love is good. God, when I go marry? See guys, see love. See what they call.
They say Cameron.
The beautiful family. Oh. Like, thank God. If you're interested in me, you want to marry me, come and take me. I'm single, searching. I can be like that.
We are good.
Oh, guys.
Let's go to that.
Let's go to the waterfall. We're going to the waterfall to have some fun, Very soon, Untouchable is getting married. Let me go do best man that day. I swear. If I not do best man, me and the person go fight. So no be sure. Stop playing. Kai God. See love. See love. See love. See love.
Face myself like this.
When are we getting married? God. John. Oh. This is love. This is love. This is love. This is love.
You know clear. I really can't take a big body.
I mean, who they come front now?
Oh, wow. Now, wow. Now, wow. Hey! Now, wow.
Yeah.
No.
Alright guys, so like from now till that very date of the wedding, in fact, make congratulations just the ring for comment section. Then I just a wish congratulations, lovers of good things begin wish congratulations, because say they can't get peace now. Say they go dey comfortable, they go dey happy than gbas cry here and then when Precious they cry. Just comot that thing wey go give you your peace of mind. Just settle and let peace reign. I really like as they settle everything. Now everything will be going smoothly. Oh, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. To my old subscribers, I say thank you so much. My new subscribers, thank you so much. And please guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel for more updates, and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you all. God bless you. Thank you so much for your support. Please continue supporting your girl. See you all in the next one, and bye for now.